Hello everybody, I see you're all back to see my latest mystery book review. The Canary Caper in the A.Z. Mysteries book series by Ron Roy. The characters are Dink, Josh, and Ruth Rose. First, there's a circus and Dink, Josh, and Ruth Rose are heading there. But before they leave, they get a phone call. It's from Mrs. Daves, and she says her canary, Mozart, is missing. The kids go over to investigate, and when they're done, they're sure somebody stole Mozart. But Mozart is returned by a man named Fred Little, and Ruth Rose's cat Tiger is missing too. Will the kids crack this case? Buy this book to find out by clicking the link below. I would rather read this book than ride a bike.